Hi, Mike at ABC Fullerton Vacuum and Sewing. Want to talk to you today about Ultrachem Labs Clean. It's their electrolytic carpet cleaning solution. It's quite frankly the best carpet cleaning solution on the market. Why? Because it doesn't require the pH scale. It's neither an alkaline nor an acid. It's actually neutral. Now, normal companies use caustic builders. They're usually highly alkaline, and these builders are cheap. So their carpet cleaning solutions don't cost very much, but they can be harsh on the carpeting and raise the pH level. When you raise the pH level of the carpeting, it soils faster. Like you've probably had your carpeting cleaned. They didn't rinse it with an acid, and then you wondered why it soiled so fast. Well, that's because they raised the alkalinity of the carpeting, and then it soiled faster. This product is neutral, so it's not going to have that. You're not going to be soiling faster because it's neutral right out of the bottle. It's not just that, it also cleans better. Their proprietary technology, electrolytic cleaning, doesn't let soil stick. This is really remarkable. When you put this in your extractor, it'll neutralize and release the bond of the soil to the carpeting for easy extraction. And then of course your carpeting will stay cleaner longer. It also is great at removing odors too. That's the extra benefit of it. Your carpeting will smell clean and fresh and stay cleaner longer. This is also a multi-purpose product. It's just not for the carpeting. You could also use it as a non-acid grout cleaner. Mix it with water at a given dilution ratio, and it's a great grout cleaner. It's a wonderful product. You try it, everybody that tries it comes back and buys it again and again and again because it really truly works. We sell it in our store. You can walk in through the door and just buy it right there at the counter, or you can go on our website at abcfullerton.com and purchase it there. Thanks for watching.